Hello. Back again with another shop with me video. Today I'm at Burlington. Let's quickly see what they have here. They have those two-piece sets. Yeah, this is a workout set, perfect for cold season. It looks good, really good. I love the color. This is $24.99. Let's go. It's new in the store. Is available in different sizes as well. And here we have this one by CK. Okay, this is clean color for $24.99. If you are interested, it's available in the store and it's new. And the side is this. This is by Nike for $19.99. Okay, they are beginning to come out. Look at this. All right, and we have this one is 19, and we have this one with hoodie. Look at this. This is $19.99, clean white. If you can maintain this, it's available in the store. And here we have this one. Yeah, okay, this one is $12.99. It's available in different sizes, new in the store. Here we have this one by Aerosports. Okay, and this is just $7.99. Interesting. Here we have simple tees here. Yeah, good sport wear. Their handbag section is literally empty. I would have loved to show you. This one is $7.99. Okay. Yeah, and they have more sport wears here. Different. Yeah, these are for cold seasons, I would say, and from different brands. See what I'm talking about here? Look, this is so cool by CK, and the quality feels so good. The music in the store today is so loud. I don't know. I hope I'll be able to cover it up. This is $26.99, and this is a cropped one. This is in size small. I'm loving this shade. All right, neutral shade. Yeah, it's my place. I love it. And this one is 22 cents, and they have more. Look at this one. Look. Yeah. And the front is plain. This is, let's see, this one is $24.99. And here we have this one. Look what we got here. These are well made. And this is $24.99. And here we have this. I'm using a new camera. I don't know how well this will come out. Let me know in the comment section. This one is $19.99. And let's see, here we have another one. This is cropped. I love these Nike. This will be perfect for traveling. Oh my god, I'm looking for something like this. I will come back to this. This is just $19.99. Interesting. They have more here. Yeah, they have more here. Okay, let's go and see what we can. Okay, look here. They also have, look at this. Look at this. This is $29.99. This is the time to get, very good pieces for your, for your kids, high schoolers. All right. Look at this. $18.99. All right. Look at this for students. For $16.99, 3-in-1. I'm loving these shades, all right? And the price, $16.99. You can never go wrong. And look at this. Look at that, with two sides, deep pockets. Yeah, interesting. Okay, let's check out and see what they have here. I'm trying to show you new pieces in the store. Okay, look what they have here. Okay, they have good two-piece set in the store in color black. Look, let me go back. All right, this is 24.99. Interesting, interesting, interesting. I'm loving this button closure. It's cool. 24.99 is priced together. And look at this. Okay. Yeah, I have decided to be uploading, every other day. Please watch my videos, share to friends and family if you like what you're saying. All right, this helps to move this channel to the next level. Thank you so much. Look at these 2%. I'm loving this shade of green. It's so cool. Let's just take a good look at this. Let's go back. Look what I'm saying here. Okay, they have more 2-piece sets in the store. Keep watching. Okay, two more pieces here. Let's see what they have here. Okay, they have tops here. Let's see. Here they have, look at this. This is so girly, office friendly, corporate. And look, oh, this looks good. If you have this inside during cold season, throw on blazer, you are good to go for just $19.99. This is by CK Kevin Klein. The quality looks good. It looks really expensive. And beside we have something here. Look at this. What we have here for $9.99. Can imagine. That's a good deal. And here we have another blouse here for $21.99. Interesting. And here we have this one by Guess for $12.99. And also we have this for $8.99. Good, 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 good. All right, look at this. $19.99. Interesting. This is new. These are new in the store. Look at this sleeveless one. You can wear this during summer. Wear this inside during cold season. Throw on good blazer. You are good to go. You can sign a contract with that. It looks really expensive. And here we have this top by CK. This is new in the store as well for $17.99. And they have lots of new stuff as a new tops as well. Lots of new tops. Look at this one. Yeah, for $9.99, you can never go wrong. Okay, and here we have more hair. Look at this. This is for $24.99. And we also have this one, $12.99. Interesting. These are interesting, good tops. Okay, this one is $24.99. The quality is good. Trust me, it's good. All right. The stitches very good. Okay, well made. And here we have this. You can get away with this even next season. Yeah, it's sweaters, sleeveless sweater. Okay, this is very simple tee for $12.99. I'm loving that, and I'm loving. Okay, look at this. The back alone, I know this would be a very good top. Interesting. More tops here. Look, 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 look. Look, 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 look. Okay. This is really feminine. Interesting blouse for, look, $8.99. All right. Let's check out what they have at the, let's go to shoe section and see. Shoes, let's see what they have here. Look at this. Okay, look at this. This one is $14.99. Interesting. And more shoes here. They have more shoes. This is by Karl Lagerfeld. Interesting sneakers. And this is $49.99. And here we have this McFisher slim bag. And this one is $17.99. Here we have these sneakers for $44.99. Here they have more shoes here. Look at these loafers in size 8, and this one is $14.99. Yeah, I love these by Steve Madden. The heel height is good, and I love the fact that this is pointy toe by Steve Madden for $36.99. Here we have this. Look at these high-rise sneakers. Look at this lace up, and this is interesting lace up by Puma. This is $39.99. Here we have these clean white sneakers for $36.99. More of it. If you are all about this, it's available in Burlington, $12.99. And here we have another one by Puma for $36.99. Here we have this one. Look at this, like tweed flat slim bag, and this one is by Nightwear for $24.99. Alright, I'll end this video here. If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching. Please consider sharing this video to others and watch other videos from me. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it so much, and until next time, bye for now.